Fashion society and the environment. Fashion is one of the ways to express yourself and show the world more about who you are. We all agree that the fashion industry has become very popular and influential. One of the biggest drawbacks that fashion has in our society is constant change. If we don't adapt the new fashion standards every time they change, we will be scrutinized and hidden by society and thus many check change in fashion incorrect. People do spend more money and waste resources living out clothes that are stolen in good conditions or perhaps not even being used. The change is it for one is fashionable. Fashion can be an inspirational tool for many to discover their own potential related to creativity, beauty, and the artist. It also helps people to express their identity, beliefs, and values externally and visible. The chair fashionettes sounds classic and glamorous, but it refers to someone who follows fashion blindly. These are people you follow fashion without applying personal criteria regardless of whether it suits them or not, or if they feel comfortable or not. However, few have noticed that something as simple and necessary as dressing is extremely pioneer the textile industry in seconds and level of environmental pollution only behind the oil industry. This is due in part to the fact that large amounts of chemicals are used for the production of clothing and footwear. In addition to the fact the large factories emit chunks of gases, all this is magnified when you take into account that people currently renovate their wardrobes more frequently than necessary. The problem is that with the materials used to make the garments. Polyester is the widely used fiber industry, and a garment made from it can take more than 200 years to decompose. Likewise, artificial materials such as rayon require cellulose, which is extracted from approximately 70 million trees felled each year. From outside, although many think that natural fibers like cotton are ecological, this is not true. Cotton is the one that requires the most pesticides for its cultivation, which sincerely affect the land and water, even if it is organic. The amount of water used to produce a can, polo, and pair of jeans can reach 5,000 gallons. Few would dare deny that consumerism has become so institutional these days. Society that people consider is unnecessary to purchase new clothing on a regular basis, whether it is for fashion or simply because clothing is believed to be already worn. People by industry levels never before registered. Experts estimate that a garment disease worth less than 5 times and discarded produces more than 400% carbon emissions that would one that is worth at least 50 times and stays for 1 year. Despite the evidence, the fast fashion culture pushes people to follow the first pattern more than the seconds. Data from United Nations Conference on Trade and Development indicate that the clothing sector uses 93 million cubic meters of water each year, a volume sufficient to meet the needs of 5 million people, and that every year. 500,000 tons of microfiber are thrown into the sea, equivalent to 3 million barrels of oil. The fashion industry is responsible for 20% of total water waste globally. Clothing and footwear produces 8% of greenhouse gases every second, and quantity of textiles equivalent to a garment crux is burned or burned. Clothing produces doubled between 2000 and 2014. Additionally, the fashion industry produces more carbon emissions than international shopping and shipping combined with the questions and has climate change and global warming. The dominant model in the sector is fast fashion, which of consumer constant change to collection and low prices and encourage frequent shopping and despising of clothing. As a consequence, clothing produces doubled in the period from 2000 to 2014. Many experts, including ONU specialists, consider this change to be responsible for a wide range of negative social, economic, and environmental effects and deadlines. The importance of ensuring that clothing is manufactured in the most sustainable and ethical manner possible. Despite disappointing aesthetics, fashion producers and consumers are increasingly aware that the industry needs to change, and numerous companies, including Maslin Richards, are beginning to integrate sustainability principles in their business strategies. For example, the global chain H&M has adopted a clothing collection skin and jeans maker gas is part of a wardrobe recycling program, while the Patagonia company produces polyester jackets obtained from recycled barrels. Some smaller companies have also joined the movement to change the apparel industry and implement a sustainable business model. This includes the West Freight which uses tarp and chalk. Seed bands to make bags and rucksacks. In Solol, for its palms, manufactures shoes, wet or tailors, and no supply of Canada. Each research skincare customers can return their garments when they are no longer in use for recycling by the company.